Welcome to the AI for Us2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. My 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and is uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Update. A potential decline of over 50% looms for XRP, according to a key price metric, indicating a challenging period for XRP bulls in the upcoming months. Several indicators, encompassing technical, fundamental, and on-chain metrics, suggest a downward trajectory. The initial signal of a possible downturn for XRP is the emergence of a bear flag pattern. This bearish continuation pattern, characterized by a small, upward-sloping rectangle against the prevailing downtrend, typically resolves with a decisive break below its lower trendline. As of January 30th, XRP is teetering at the lower trendline of this bear flag, hinting at a potential breakdown. Concurrently, the Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, stands at around 40, signaling potential further declines. A decisive break below the flag's lower trendline could position XRP for a substantial fall, possibly reaching 24 cents, down approximately 55% from current levels, by May or June. The bear flag breakdown aligns with a significant inflow of XRP, valued in hundreds of millions, into exchanges like Bitstamp, as reported by Whale Alert. Notably, Ripple transferred $24.75 million worth of XRP tokens to an unknown wallet on January 30th, likely part of routine operations involving tokens unlocked from escrow each month. The timing of these transfers coincides with a noteworthy shift in the distribution of XRP holdings, indicating potential selling or redistribution by whales. Adding to the selling pressure, XRP faces the risk of a further decline due to two bearish technical setups on shorter timeframes. Firstly, the 50-day exponential moving average, 50-day EMA, is anticipated to cross below the 200-day EMA, forming a death cross, traditionally viewed as a bearish signal. A similar death cross in December 2021 preceded a 65% price decline. Secondly, XRP is forming a head and shoulders, H&S, pattern on its daily chart, a trend reversal pattern that, if realized, could lead to a 30% drop from current levels, with a price target around 34 cents by March or April. Analysts express caution regarding the prospect of a spot XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, in the near future. The ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, coupled with the absence of an XRP futures ETF in the United States, contributes to the pessimism. Townsend Lansing, head of product at CoinShares, notes that for a spot XRP ETF to be viable, the SEC must acknowledge that XRP is not a security, an outcome currently deemed unlikely. Xrp New News Update. XRP has experienced recent declines, with the current price hovering around 54 cents, reflecting a 1.5% increase in the past 24 hours. Over the past month and 14 days, XRP recorded declines of approximately 13.5% and 7.2%, respectively. Despite the recent price fluctuations, optimism persists among crypto analysts and industry leaders. Matthew Dixon, CEO of EVI, a crypto rating platform, recently shared his perspective on XRP's price movements. Dixon believes that XRP may be on the brink of a bullish run, anticipating further declines before a potential surge. Backing his assertions, Dixon presented a price chart indicating that XRP is consolidating after a period of price instability. Analyzing the 1-hour timeframe, Dixon envisions a potential drop to $0.5250 before XRP attempts to break above 54 cents. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, on Dixon's chart reveals that the XRP RSI is below the overbought area, suggesting room for further ascension without the risk of excessive overvaluation. While Dixon did not provide a specific timeline for his prediction, XRP holders may find a glimmer of hope in his analysis. Despite XRP trading below 60 cents for most of January, influenced by Bitcoin's subdued performance during the same period, Dixon's assessment offers encouragement for those holding XRP tokens. In an unrelated development, Bitcoin, BTC, has surpassed $43,000, showing a 2.9% increase in the past 24 hours. The positive price momentum for BTC could potentially signal a turnaround for various altcoins, including XRP. The cryptocurrency market remains dynamic, and the future trajectory of XRP will likely depend on various factors, including Bitcoin's continued performance and broader market dynamics. Xrp New News Update. Ripple, the American fintech company, has announced its plans to expand its global team, as revealed on its official Twitter account. The available positions include a senior product manager, DeFi, London, senior software engineer, Bangalore, and senior software engineer, Toronto. This recent hiring initiative follows a spree launched by Ripple in September of the previous year, with the goal of bringing on board 55 professionals in various fields such as corporate development, engineering, business development, finance, global operations, information technology, legal, marketing, and more. Notably, the company's search for a shareholder communications senior manager sparked speculation among ex-users about the possibility of Ripple filing for an initial public offering, IPO. However, Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, clarified earlier in the month that going public is not currently a top priority for the company. This expansion effort by Ripple comes just months before the scheduled trial against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC has faced setbacks in the legal proceedings against Ripple, suffering 3 partial court losses in 2023. Notably, in July, Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that Ripple's programmatic sales to secondary trading platforms did not constitute offers of investment contracts. The court also rejected the SEC's request to appeal the decision, while Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larson were cleared of all accusations. The outcome of the lawsuit holds significant implications for Ripple and the broader crypto sector. A favorable decision for Ripple could boost investor confidence, potentially driving up XRP's price and positively impacting the overall crypto market. Conversely, an SEC victory could lead to the implementation of strict regulations and a potential downturn in the market. The developments in the trial will be closely watched in the coming months. Xrp New News Update. Yasin Mobarak, the founder of Dizer Capital, has strongly criticized Ripple and its management of XRP, expressing concern that XRP holders may have been led to believe in a dream that may never materialize. This criticism emerged during a dispute over incentives for XRP ledger node operators and the noticeable exodus of validators. Mobarak expressed his dissent, stating that he no longer believes in the concept that the best incentive is no incentive. Meanwhile, a user on X highlighted Ripple's primary motive as a corporation: profit. The commenter argued that, as a business entity, Ripple inherently prioritizes financial gain over noble aspirations. In response, Mobarak clarified that he holds no opposition to Ripple's pursuit of profit and disclosed his shareholder status within the company, expressing a desire for the company to succeed. However, he emphasized his deep concern for retail XRP holders. In response to this, prominent XRP figure Crypto Eri brought attention to the rapid development of Evernode, a Layer 2 smart contract platform. Evernode reportedly established a decentralized infrastructure that boasts 3,440 nodes in less than 15 days. Expressing dismay over the situation in the XRP ecosystem, Mobarak accused Ripple of mishandling incentive concepts within the XRP ledger over the years. He pointed out Ripple's alleged failure to capitalize on the programmable transfer of value concept, which predates Ethereum. Additionally, Mobarak criticized Ripple's utilization of the XRP escrow account, stating that it lacks meaningful benefits to the ecosystem. He expressed disappointment in how Ripple continued to milk the escrow account without any meaningful benefit to the ecosystem and public ledger. Mobarak particularly highlighted that Ripple's success should not come at the expense of investors who were enticed into the XRP market with lofty dreams, including the idea that XRP could reach $10,000 per token. In the broader context of the conversation, crypto podcaster Tony Edward advocated for diversification, cautioning against overly emotional attachments to tokens and emphasizing the importance of embracing diversification instead of concentrating all investment hopes on a single project. Xrp New News Update. Veteran Wall Street analyst Linda Jones has presented a comprehensive scenario in which Ripple could potentially set a new benchmark in IPO valuation history. Speaking with Digital Perspectives, Jones detailed her predictions about Ripple's future, particularly focusing on its pre-IPO share value. Jones initiated her analysis by referring to the current valuation of pre-IPO shares on Link2, a platform for private investing. According to Link2, at $35 a share, which is slightly under $34 today on the Link2 website, that is a $5.7 billion valuation for Ripple stock, Jones stated. She noted that this figure is notably lower than the enterprise's past buyback at a valuation of $15 billion. The crux of Jones' analysis centers on Ripple's substantial holdings in Xrp. Ripple has 42 billion Xrp in escrow, Jones explained, highlighting the current Xrp price of 50 cents. This pegs the Xrp's worth at around $21 billion, a figure 4 times higher than Ripple's present valuation. Jones indicated a possible undervaluation. Drawing parallels to Coinbase's IPO success, Jones postulated that Ripple could achieve a similar feat. Combining Ripple's potential valuation with its Xrp holdings could result in an aggregate worth of approximately $107 billion, a significant contrast to its current valuation on Link2. This valuation would correspond to about 20x, or 2,000%, the current selling price of pre-IPO shares on Link2. A key element in Jones' analysis is the potential resolution of Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC and its impact on Xrp's price. She speculated on a scenario where Xrp returns to its previous all-time high of $3.59, valuing Ripple's escrowed Xrp at $150 billion. Jones argued that it doesn't make sense for Xrp to be worth $150 billion and Ripple stock to be worth less. Comparing Ripple with technology giants like Nvidia, Apple, and Amazon, Jones suggested that Ripple could be on par with these giants in terms of valuation, considering its assets and market impact. Despite Ripple's shorter history, Jones emphasized its potential among world-class companies. Jones concluded her analysis on an optimistic note, acknowledging its speculative nature. She stated, "I could see where we could have a new record for a company at its IPO valuation. And that Ripple could be the company that makes that new record. This prediction puts Ripple's potential stock value at an estimated $350 billion or even $500 billion, considering its Xrp holdings and market position." AI Precious Metals New News Update. Gold prices are on the rise in early trading on Tuesday, reaching $2,045.90, up $12.67, while silver is trading at $23.26, up 6 cents. The global community is anxiously awaiting the U.S. military's response to a situation that is not explicitly mentioned. J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon has raised concerns about a potential global market crisis, attributing it to the escalating U.S. government debt. He expressed these worries at a bipartisan policy center event, where he was joined by former Speaker Paul Ryan. Dimon drew parallels between the current economic situation and the 1980s, emphasizing the significantly higher debt-to-GDP ratio, which stands at around 100%, compared to 35% during the 1980s. He predicts that by 2035, this ratio could reach 130%. Dimon underscored the global impact of the U.S. debt, highlighting that countries such as Japan, China, and the UK hold substantial portions of it. He emphasized the importance of a stronger America and military for global security, advocating for closer collaboration between the public and private sectors. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.